hit market by accident after I put my price out there. But that's all right. We're in at 128.99. Let's see if we can get a point off of this. This looks good for a breakout over the highs here. So target's going to be about 130. Stop loss will be below around 128. Here we go. Should be a nice explosive move here. We got a bull flag here. It's always good. Real nice looking bull flag. Market's climbing. Come on. We got some buying pressure in there. Look at the size of that big fat green candle there. We'll take it once it goes over here. Alright, let's just take this right here. Alright, we're out. Just in case it pulls back. Took about 70 cents. RCL, we're going to short this right here at the ask before it breaks down. Looks like it's about to break down below 51. Just got to get in before. Alright, we are in RCL at 51.11. We're going to see if we can get this down to 50. We're thinking probably 50, below 50.25 area. And stop loss will be over 52. Close to about a point each way. But this thing will squeeze here if it doesn't drop. But at the same time, if you see what's happening here, is being dip bought. And they're putting all their stops at the lows here, which is 51 area. So once it hits that area, it should be a nice drop. But the market is climbing. I don't like that. Alright, it's going to crack. Alright, it cracked. Let's see how far it can go. Then we'll see what we do with it. Struggling here. Alright, we're going to come out of this. Alright, we're out. We're out for about 25 cents. No big deal. I don't want to be stuck on a squeeze here. It didn't drop the way I wanted it to drop at 51. Market's climbing. So it's best just to come out with a small win. FSLY, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. We are in FSLY at 77.03. It's pulling back from the highs this morning, but look at all that buying pressure. That's a ton of buying pressure and a lot of volume too if you look at the volume bars. So I'm thinking this is just a pullback before it goes over the highs again. So target's going to be about 78 and stop loss will be around 76, about a point each way. Market is pulling back. Don't like that. But this thing, I don't know, there's a lot of green on this chart. So plus if you look at the daily, this thing is the picture of power. It's consolidating up here. It looks like it wants to go again, but we'll see. Alright, it's not looking good here. We're just going to come out of this. Alright, just as I was about to come out, things started to drop. We're just going to come out of this. Come on, let's get out of this. Alright, we took a, what is that, about a 55-cent loss or so. Alright, we are short VMW at 157.48. This looks great here. Then gaps up, rallies, and then drops hard. Consolidates for a little bit here. Tried to climb, didn't succeed. Now we think it's going to take out 157. So target's going to be, I like around 156. I'm thinking. I think if it can crack 157, I think we see 156 real fast. Especially since the market's dropping. Well, it was dropping. And stop loss will be around 158.50 area. But I don't see why this thing don't take out this area here at least first before it climbs again. It might climb, you know, the thing's up huge. Alright, here we go. We're about to take out 157. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. We'll see what we do once we take out 157. Because it is up, so we'll see what the market does. Come on. Take out 157. Nice big fat red candle. Come on. Here we go. We took out 157. Not moving like I like. Alright, let's get out of this. Alright, we're out. We're out. Only 50 cents, a little over 50 cents. Just because when it broke 57, it didn't break the way I thought it would break. Oh, and check out VMW. Boom. Dropped like a rock. Should have stayed in it. VMW. We're going to take this for a long right here. This thing has dropped quite a bit. It's up huge this morning. I don't see why it doesn't get picked up here. See if we can buy this dip here. Alright, we are long 100. Alright, we're just going to keep 100. Looks like it's about to climb here. So We're gonna, all right, we're long 100 shares here. We think this stock will climb here, mostly because it's up so much this morning, and it only dropped because the market dropped. So I think once the market starts to climb, this stock will have no choice but to climb because it's so strong this morning. So we're going to see if we can get 2 points off this thing. Only 100 shares. We're going to see if we can bring this thing up to 156 maybe? We'll see. We'll see what the market does. The market looks like it's heading back down, so we're going to come out of this. We're actually going to come out of this right here if we can. Market's looking weak again. All right, let me push this down a little bit. Don't want to stay in this. Come on. All right, we're out. We're out. I'm looking at the SPY. It started to climb. That's why we took it, the trade. And now it's going back down. It just broke the lows here, so this stock will drop. So we only took like 25 cents off of this, so I'd rather just come out of it. Roku, we're gonna long this right here at the bid. Alright, we are long 100 shares. Alright, we're full 150 shares long at 125.46. I think this looks good here. If the market can climb, the market's been dropping since the open really, and now it's consolidating here, and it's heading over to this area here where there's a lot of stop short orders out there which will buy this stock up. Same time, there's a lot of stops down here for people that are buying it going long. So stop loss is going to be around 124.50. We're almost there, and target's going to be around 126.50. But the market looks like it's heading down again. Alright, looks like we're going to our stop area. Looks like it's going to take out all these stops here, but I'm not going to get out yet. I just don't think the market, if we look at the SPY, it's been dropping way too long for it not to have a good sized bounce. You know, and plus you're going to have a lot of shorts coming in right now. So if it doesn't crack the lows here, this thing will take out this area out real fast. Real good size squeeze from all the shorts that have to come out when the market climbs, if it climbs. Alright, Roku, here we go. That's what I was hoping would happen. Shorts would come in it because it does look great for a short because of the bear flag. And when it didn't work out, shorts would have to come out of it, and they would all put their stops right around here, maybe even 126, but more likely than not around this area here, 125.75 area. So it needs to go up to that area so it can get pushed up from all the orders. Alright, it's trying to pop over. We got about 30 cents. Come on. Alright, Roku, we're going to come out of this. This thing is just taking too long here. Come on. I'm going to push this down a little bit. Come on. Sure. It took 30 cents. No big deal. I just think it should have climbed already. Been in this for a few candles now, and it's just doodling around. The market looks like it's trying to climb, but all in all, I think it's going to turn around and drop. So it's best just to come out of this with a small win. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. So we're just going to keep it green here. We're up 190. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners, mostly small winners, and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on Roku and our loser on fsly. Thanks for watching.